Have you ever reached to use your iPhone, only to realize you're out of battery power? Have you ever missed an important phone call because, well, your iPhone battery was dead? Wouldn't it be nice if your iPhone gave you a verbal reminder to charge your device when the battery power reaches a predetermined threshold?
Charge your iPhone.
And, if you forget to charge it following the first reminder, it reminded you again, a bit more forcefully?
Mr. Clark, charge your damn iPhone.
In this video, we're going to show you a little-known iPhone trick that allows you to receive multiple verbal reminders to charge your device, so you don't end up like this guy.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?
Introduced with iOS 12, Shortcuts, formerly known as Workflow, is a visual scripting application developed by Apple and provided on their iOS, macOS, and watchOS operating systems. The app allows users to create macros for executing specific tasks on their device. These task sequences can be created by the user and shared online. A number of curated shortcuts can also be downloaded from the integrated gallery.
So how do I get my iPhone to personally curse me out?
It's simple. First, launch the shortcut application. Next, select Automation from the menu at the bottom of your screen. Press the plus sign in the upper right corner of the screen to add a new automation. On the new automation screen, select the blue Create Personal Automation button. Scroll down and select Battery Level. I want the first warning to sound when the battery level falls below 15%. You can set this to any value you wish. Next, we'll add an action. Since I know my action is to speak custom text, I will search for Speak and select Speak Text from the Documents list. Click on the text field to type the custom text that you want to hear when your iPhone's battery falls below your predetermined threshold. Click this button to control whether this automation should wait until the spoken text is complete before any further steps are executed, or to modify the rate, pitch, language, or voice of the text being spoken. Be sure to turn off the Ask Before Running indicator to allow this automation to run autonomously. And there you have it, you've created a shortcut that gives you a verbal warning when your iPhone's battery reaches a predetermined threshold. Now, we'll create a second shortcut that gives you a more forceful warning when the iPhone's battery reaches a second threshold. Repeating steps 2 through 5 from the previous instructions, I've set the threshold for the second automation to 5%. You can set this to any value you wish, but you'll want it less than the value set in the previous shortcut, so that this automation is not triggered until some time has elapsed after the first shortcut.
If you're worried about this automation being triggered at an inopportune moment,
Nope, I'm not worried.
you can add a conditional action that triggers your shortcut based on your iPhone's location, time of day, or connectivity to a specific Wi-Fi endpoint. We hope you found this tutorial useful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Your subscription keeps the videos coming. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?